In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a table row or column in Microsoft Word. Whether you're editing a report, a spreadsheet, or any document that includes a table, knowing how to quickly remove unnecessary rows or columns is an essential skill. Let's walk through the process so you can easily manage your tables. First, open your Microsoft Word document that contains the table. Once it's open, locate the table and decide which row or column you want to delete. To delete a row, start by selecting the entire row. You can do this by placing your cursor in any cell within the row you want to delete. Once your cursor is in the row, right-click anywhere in that row and a menu will appear. From that menu, select Delete and then choose Delete Rows from the options. This will immediately remove the entire row from your table. If you want to delete a column instead, the process is almost the same. Click anywhere in the column that you wish to remove. Right-click on the column and from the menu that appears, choose Delete. Then select Delete Columns. Your column will be deleted and the table will adjust accordingly. Alternatively, if you prefer using the ribbon at the top, you can also delete a row or column from there. After selecting the row or column you want to remove, go to the Layout tab under Table Tools in the ribbon. In the Rows and Columns group, you'll see options for deleting. Click on either Delete Rows or Delete Columns and Word will do the rest. One thing to note is that if you accidentally delete a row or column that you didn't mean to, you can always press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to undo the action and restore the deleted row or column. And that's it! You've now learned how to delete a row or column from your table in Microsoft Word. It's a quick and simple process that can help you manage your tables more efficiently. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.